each month salaries need to be processed and payslip need to be published to the employees. Today we will go through the step-by-step process of creating new payroll month and running payroll. To create a new payroll month, go to payroll, payroll input and then payroll month. Here you can review the last payroll month and also you can check if the month is locked and whether the payslip have been published to the employees. Click on create new month. The system will automatically pick up the details based on your setup, such as begin date and end date. Just click on save. You will be asked, do you want to log the previous month? Make your selection and the new payroll month will be created. Once the payroll month is created, go to employees. If you have added any new employees for that month, make sure to update their salary structure and salary breakup details before processing the salaries. Otherwise, their salary will not be included in the payroll. We have already created a separate video explaining how to add salary breakup details for new employees, so you can review those videos if needed. Next, go to pre-salary transaction. Here, if you have provided any advance to the employees for that particular month, or you want to add any additional earning or deduction like bonus or incentives or any other deduction, then you can enter those details before processing the salaries. This step also has a dedicated video which you can review for more guidance. Once all the necessary data is added, go to salary transaction and then process payroll. Select the month for which you want to process the salaries and then click on quick process. If you want to process salaries for a specific branch or employee, then you can use the filter options. Once the salary is processed, go to payroll reports, and here you can generate salary reports for all the employees and you can review the calculations. If you are deducting PF and ESIC, then you can generate PF and ESIC ready challans which you can directly upload into government website. And other salary advance reports are there and salary reports are there. And then go to pre-salary transaction and there you can generate salary or wage register. Select the month for which you want to generate the report and then click on generate report. Here you can review the employee salary calculation and you can export this report into Excel, PDF or Word. You can generate other reports which are available in different format. Once you have reviewed the salary calculation, you can generate and publish the salary payslips for employees. To generate payslips, go to payout and then generate payslip report. Select the month for which you want to generate and then click on generate separate file. If you want to generate for a specific employee, then you can use the filter option and then click on generate separate file. Once it is generated, go to payslip section. Click on employee code to download the salary payslip. To email the salary payslip, make sure the email ID is updated and then select that employee and click on send salary payslip email. If you want to publish the salary payslip on employee's mobile app, then go to payroll input and then payroll month. Edit the payroll month you want to publish and then enable the publish payslip, and if you want to log the payroll month, then enable is logged and then click on save.